We have the Vicks Sinus inhaler as a long-time sinus pain sufferer since I have bought this for my son. He has congestion and it is miserable. So this provides steam for an easy 5 to 15 minute treatment to elevate congestion. What interested me about the steam is that it is germ free, but I still plan to use with the tap water, and it has a soft flexible mask, and you can see also put a vapor pad to help open up your sinus passage. These are contents. The device itself has a base and a top part, and then they call this the mask. And it is sort of flexible. You are not supposed to put your face right on it. You put your face over it, and you also get one complimentary mix available pad. So we are going to unlock the top from the base. You just twist it. There's a little indicator to unlock it and open it. And how? And now you put 2.5 tablespoons of water into the base. That is a really strange amount. This should have just made it a little bigger to hold the 3 tablespoons. See, just pour that in a 3 and do not overfill. Only max. So read full warning about overfilling it. And now we put this back on, line up the arrow, and now we are going to twist it clockwise, trying to show it felt spill water there. And now you just sit the hood on and push it down. And now you could slide this out and put your vapor pad in. You could actually do this before as well when it is exposed. Set the pad in and close it. And Vicks Sinus inhaler is ready to use. Now, they want you to plug in directly to the outlet, not into the power strip. And now turn the switch on, and it just start making steam in about 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And now look here. It is a little slider here. All the way back is a lot of steam, and this is a little steam, so it is producing steam. It doesn't produce mass quantities. But when you have your face right there, you definitely feel it going up into your nose. Sinus passes, one thing you want to remember is don't move. This, put it on a table or counter while you are using it and keep it base stable. When you are all done, you just wipe everything down with a clean towel or paper towel. Once a week, they want you to clean it with putting 2.5 tablespoons of undiluted distilled water or vinegar into the reservoir. Let it sit 10 minutes and then rinse it with fresh clean tap water and dry everything. And store everything in a dry, cool place. So very interesting device. Hopefully it will be very helpful for you. I hope this get you started. Thank you. New Vicks Sinus inhaler, sinus steam machine feature for great result. Thank you. Get closer.